My name is Hans Thielman. I'm a licensed tree expert and professional arborist. Today I want to talk about the LogOX 3-in-1 forestry tool. It's versatile, ergonomic, and it's definitely something that I recommend keeping in your toolbox. I keep it in my truck. Whenever I need it, I have it. It's modular, Cant hook, timberjack, log hauler. I'm about to show you how I cut up this log that fell at my house and just how to manipulate it without using a machine. As you can see, I was able to roll that 14-foot log, black locust, up incline with the leverage of the 38-inch Cant hook extension.